Here's a polished and informative review on the safest cars of 2025, highlighting leading models by Top Safety. Global and Euro best-in-class winners. Mercedes-Benz EU Class awarded Euro Best Performer in the executive segment with 92% adult, 90% child, 84% pedestrian, and 87% safety assist SOT. Superb, joint, large family car winners in Euro testing. Tilda 93% adult, 87% child, and 82% pedestrian protection. Mazda 80 took top in large SUV class, 92% adult, 88% child, 84% pedestrian, 79% safety assist. UK safest cars in 2025. According to recent British evaluations, ID.7 achieved 100% frontal crash test, score touted as the safest overall. Other top safety performers: Superb, Mercedes, Mazda 180, 001, Smart Number 3, X and Mercedes EU Class. Top Safety Pick Plus, 2025 winners, Top Safety Pick Plus both, and Advanced Safety Tech. Key winners include small cars, Honda Civic, Mazda 3, sedan and hatch, Acura, midsize sedans, Honda Accord, Hyundai 6, Toyota Camry. Genesis, Honda HRY V, Hyundai 5, Hyundai Tucson, Mazda 130, Mazda 150. Subaru Forester, Top Safety Pick, midsize and large. Genesis, Mercedes, Volvo, BMW, Acura, etc. Pickups, Toyota Tundra, Top Safety Pick Plus or Pick. Other notable models: Subaru Outback, Toyota Highlander, Honda CR V, Volvo Hyundai Palisade, all earned Top Safety Pick Plus in US tests. Audi, Ford Explorer, Audi e-tron, BMW have top-tier ratings. Brand safety highlights: Volvo consistently praised as built like tanks, and all strong performers in Euro and test. Tesla models, Model Y 3, received strong and crash ratings, though pedestrian safety remains a caveat. Top picks by needs. Use case-recommended models. Executive sedan safety, Mercedes EU Class, Volkswagen ID.7. Family midsize, sedan, Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, Hyundai 6, Top Safety plus 5-star. Compact SUV, Subaru Forester, Mazda 130, Hyundai, Top Safety Pick Plus. 3-row SUV, Hyundai Palisade, Volvo, Toyota Highlander. Luxury electric SUV, Mercedes, Genesis, Audi e-tron, Euro top-rated models. Final verdict: for unmatched crash test scores and technology, Mercedes F-Class and ID.7 lead globally. Family-friendly and reliable safety: Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, Subaru Outback, Forester. Top SUV picks: Hyundai Palisade, Mazda Weidichia 90D, Genesis. Luxury: Mercedes, Genesis, Tesla models.